panspermia, which is kind of this theory that life on Earth didn't independently evolve on Earth first, instead maybe seeded by life from another planet like Mars, where the conditions for life were more viable billions of years ago, and maybe a meteor strike impacted Mars back then, and the seeds of life were like brought over into Earth. I think this is a fascinating concept.
It is. To expand a little bit more on that, we do think that early on, both Venus and Mars were more like, it's not, I don't think it's right to think of it more like Earth is now, but more like Earth was then. Because Mars is less massive, it probably cooled off a little bit quicker. So you could imagine that if Earth and Mars were identical in as many ways as they could be, with the mass difference that they have, where Mars is smaller and less massive, then Mars would cool off faster just because it's smaller. Perhaps the conditions for life to evolve happened first on Mars, and then we already have evidence that Mars rocks are on Earth. So this is something that happens when there's an asteroid impact, stuff gets flung into space, and there are ways to figure out exactly where this rock came from. And we have Mars rocks on Earth.
Yeah, and if we have now verified that there are species of microbes on Earth that can survive the radiation of space,